If it's time to buy a home, but you really need an office when you walk in the front door so your clients have easy access, you need to check out this home with me. My name is Jason Beatty. I'm your realtor with eXp Realty because your move matters. This is a condo in Laurel for $350,000. Let's do the tour. Imagine greeting your clients in this front entranceway, easy, quick access to the office. This kitchen is literally the hub of the home, and phenomenal layout for entertaining. On one side, there's a living room, on the other side, a dining room, and then the chef's dream kitchen. Everything from quartz countertops to stainless steel appliances, and no shortage of light. Check out the full wall of windows. Now, if you'd like to view this property, all the links are in the details description below. Thanks for touring this home with me. My name is Jason Beatty. I'm your realtor with eXp Realty because your move matters.